In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to delete your invoices in Zoho Books. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Zoho Books like you usually would. Then from here you need to go over to the sales button over here and go down to invoices. Then from here you can see all of your invoices. And you need to be aware that before you can delete an invoice, the status needs to be unpaid. But to delete an invoice, you simply need to go over here and select it, and go up to the three dots over here called More and just click Delete. Then from here you can see the selected invoices will be deleted and cannot be retrieved later. Are you sure you want to delete them? Then you just need to click OK. And as you can see here, because my invoice has been paid, I get a deletion failure summary. And I just need to click OK for that. And as you can see here, now the invoice should be deleted if it is not have been paid. And that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!